everybody. Today I want to show you how to edit thumbnail by Picart. Yeah, the same this photo. Yeah, this is my thumbnail. How to do this? You just have this application. Yeah, Picart. Yeah, Picart. So I click this one. And then I click this and I find white background. I click this 16:9. Click this one, apply in the CD. You can find font or sticker. Yeah, I can click sticker and then I find iPhone screen. Yeah, iPhone Pro Max. Yeah, and the CD. I like this one. Yeah, and I click plus sticker, right thumbnail. Right, YouTube. And I write YouTube thumbnail, THUM. Yes, thumbnail. And this one, I change color. YouTube thumbnail and start. Analyze red color, and you can change font. Yeah, this one. And color, you can change style. Yellow. Yeah, YouTube thumbnail. Write more on. Write smartphone. Or you buy Picart. and I change color if you like. Yeah, this one, and stroke. I need yeah, this black is good. Okay, now it's already. Oh, I can write 2021. Change one color or yellow and stop. Okay, YouTube thumbnail on Picart 2021. Okay, hope you guys understand about this video. Okay, thank you. And sell, I click already sell and can find that photo. Yes, already. Now I can make my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you guys like, share, comment on my video. Thank you. Bye bye.